Hey, what's up guys? Redmi brand welcomes its new entry-level member with the freshly announced Redmi 8A. It brings a slew of improvements over its predecessor, the Redmi 7A, like a larger 6.2-inch IPS display, bigger 5000 mAh battery, and Xiaomi's new Aura Wave grip design. The display still boosts HD Plus resolution but now comes with a water drop notch, which houses the 8MP selfie camera and Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It is surprising that at this price range, Xiaomi has given a Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Around the back, we have a single 12MP sensor with an aperture of f1.8, which is Sony IMX363 camera sensor with a dual PD autofocus. There is no fingerprint reader, so you will have to make to do with the face unlock. The Snapdragon 439 chipset sits at the helm, aided by 2 or 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, which can be expanded via the microSD slot. The phone will ship with the MIUI 10 on top of the Android 9 Pie, but an update to the brand new MIUI 11 will come soon on this phone. The 5000 mAh of battery can be topped with the Type-C port and supports up to 18W fast charging. After the Vivo U10, Xiaomi has made a big announcement by launching an 18W fast charging at a low price range in Redmi 8A. The phone is also splash proof with a P2i rating and comes with the IR port, 3.5mm headphone jack and a dual SIM support. Sales of the Redmi 8A are scheduled to kick off on September 30 via Xiaomi India and Flipkart. The phone will come in the sunset red, ocean blue and midnight black colors. The base 2GB 32GB model will go for 6,500, that is $91, while the 3GB 32GB variant will set the bars back at the rate of 7,000, that is approximately $98 in the international market. So this is all the details about the new Redmi 8A, which is a value for money, the best budget device we have seen till date. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.